Welcome to Life Leadership Program. Thank you so much for enrolling into this program. I welcome you to live life lively. It's based on my small booklet. As a coach and as a speaker and as an author, I bring my 2 decades of experience in creating a breakthrough for you. Let us start our first session today. What is Life Leadership Program is all about? It is to help you design a future which inspires you and which makes you alive. Believe in your potential. No one cares you when you are in a seed. No one bothers when you are sprouting. No one notices even when you become a plant. The world notices only when you become a tree. They will be after you when you start giving fruits. When you become a gigantic tree, they aspire you for your shade. One life is not enough to live our full potential, but to give our best, what makes us lively is very important on this planet. So, welcome you to live life lively. Design your life. Welcome to Design Your Life. There are 2 kinds of life: default life and designed life. We all can live a script written by somebody else, or society, or the teachers, or the parents, or the media. Because we never discovered who we are, we will only get ideas from here and there and choose our careers, get married, get into EMS, and somehow survive. And sometimes, to fill the void, we can get into entertainment, some hobbies, some habits, whether we like it or not. Life will go. At the end of the day, we all will pass from this planet. But what makes us alive? What makes our life worth living? 2 features, as I said: default feature and designed feature. What is default feature? We are all have past, better, more, different. If you observe all these things, they are the different versions of the past. We all wants to improve. Once Jim Rohn beautifully said, motivation alone will not work all the time. If you got an idiot and you motivate him, he becomes a motivated idiot. The first thing is awareness. Once he is aware where he is, then something wonderful from future is possible. So when you live from your past, you do wonderful actions in the present, and definitely you will have a better future. But today, the future is unpredictable, uncertain. VUCA world it is called. Volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguity. When these things exist, you want to be certain about your future. Of course, what is certain is our monthly expenditures. What is certain is we don't live forever here. Day by day, countdown happens but for our age. There are so many things will surprise us. When we prepare ourselves ready for the future, we surprise the world. When we don't prepare, world will surprise us. So default or predictable future. If you can predict how your life is going to be next year, by default, 10% our salary may increase, 10% our income may increase, 10% our expenditure may increase. So you can predict. So when you predict, you don't want a pain, you will work. You want some gains, you will work. These are the 2 motivators. So usually this motivation needs an effort, but there's a different way of living. Let us see what is that future. Inspiring future. The future as a declaration. All the great men, they not lived by default. They created a future which inspired them in the present moment. Imagine a car. A car has got a front windshield, rear view mirror, and the steering. And if you see that the front windshield is the future, The rear view mirror is the past and the steering is the present. In India, we have three most important gods: Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. God means generator, operator, and destroyer. So Brahma is the creator according to our Hindu philosophy. So we all have a wonderful brain which can create our future. Where is life? Life is not in my hands, people say. But I say, life is in our mind. It's between two ears. The whole life is here. You think the problems are here? No. Problems are outside. Life is inside because you are inside. You are the captain of your life. Any time you have a choice to choose a life you love. Even at the worst time, you have the choice.